So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can update your Instagram account for new updates, even if you have updated your Instagram application but it didn't help. So there will be only two steps. The very first step is you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to this search button and search here Instagram. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all tap on this update button for updating your Instagram application and account on basic level. And once you do that, you are done with the very first step and your Instagram app has been updated. Now let's move towards the second step, which updates our account for the new updates. For that purpose, you have to go to your profile menu by tapping on your profile picture available at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the hamburger icon available at the top. And here, when you scroll through this page, here under how you use Instagram section, the last option in this list is update Instagram. When you tap on it, here you can read all the details, and this option basically updates your account for all the new updates which are happening on Instagram application. This may be used for drawing a chat in your friends tab, or sending a doodle to anyone, or any reels update or anything. Just tap on this update now button, and now my account has been updated with all the new updates which Instagram has launched. So that's how you update your Instagram account for all the new updates. Thank you so much.